What is special about your dog? What makes him different from the other dogs?
Special dito siyempre, yung kulay, ano siya, masayahin, pagka galing ako ng work, nasalubungan niya ako, sabay, yun, kikiss niya, yung mga pako, at the same time, nakakawala siya ng pako.
How do you know if your dog is happy?
Siyempre, yung kanyang buntot, makulit, at the same time, ano siya, sobrang, talon siya ng talon. Humingi siya ng pagkain.
When was the last time you looked at your pet and told yourself, I love my dog?
Kanina lang. Actually, galing kami sa, alam niya babiyahe kami, so hindi siya naging ganun kalikot. Siyempre, mahal namin to. Medyo, napamahal na rin namin, parang anak na rin.
Do you feel that your dog loves you? Please give an example.
Thank you.